www.b-league.ph. Live streaming po tayo dyan sa Shakey's B-League Games. And we've also found our Shakey's face of the game. And here she is. Her name is Nao Segawa. She's 15 years old from Cavite City. And she gets to take home some pizza. That's more grow food for these young girls. Palaki na ng palaki yung generation
Parang
na to.
nag-shooter ka. Alam mo yung glow
And go. Yan, medyo combination yan eh. May grow dyan at may konti ring go.
Alam mo, may tutoring dito. May grade schooler.
Tapos na tayo. Grade 5 and grade 4 na yan eh. Napagdaanan na. Pang ano yun eh, grade 1 ba yun o grade 2, di ba? 17-11. Ateneo up by 6. They're also up 1-0. And Ronery De La Cruz getting the point there for the Lady Altas. So 17-12. Ateneo's lead down to 5. And there's only been one substitution here actually para sa kupunan ng Perpetual. That was Johnny Sabar replaced by Ronery De La Cruz earlier.
Oh, that was still the early stage of this game.
For Ateneo, no subs yet coming in. This has still been the lineup. And still Kainglet, wait a minute, there was a whistle before that.
I think there was a violation, so point goes to Ateneo. And besides, talagang...
Yeah, nakuha na rin ni Kainglet yung puntos. So 18-12. Angelina Hervasio.
Now going for the jump serve.
She mistossed that one.
Oh, ang lapad! Babay!
Yun mo. Aray! Kainglet scoring once again. Hindi mo pagbato mo, nanay ko po. Habulin mo pa. Time out for Mike Rafael. Ateneo now with a 7-point lead.
Kung isa bigyan ng running, ibig-big mo siya, no? Siya, sa unahan ka, diba? Yun ang gawin niya. Kung tumingin ka.
19-12 is our score in favor of Ateneo. We are at the arena right here in San Juan City. Ito po si Noel Zarate alongside Mosi Ravena and Man Panganipa. Sobrang haba ng pangalan. Dito lang nagkasya doon. So, it is...
Parang may gusto ko pa nga itong eh.
Hindi ko naman sinabing malapad eh. Mahaba.
Okay. Ay, you still have one more chance after this one, ha?
Nice, si Man Panganiban. She's now very health conscious.
Bawi ka dyan, ha? Bawi.
Speaking of health conscious, naghahanap kanina ng chicharon. So,
talagang meron pa rin. Hervasio still on the line for Ateneo. Mga dreamer yan tulad ko.
Shakey's, if it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
An ace coming from Hervasio on the line.
So that's her second ace from her jump serve, and now substitution. Catherine Bulatao seeing action for the first time here, replacing Honey Royce Tubino. We remember Bulatao coming into one game before that she just obliterated the defense. Siya yung nagpapanalo sa kupunan ng Perpetual. So let's listen. It's like we're watching Maria Sharapova already. It's not Angelina Hervasio. Service ace ni Maria Sharapova na yan eh.
So marinig.
Hindi. Walang iri naman na kasama. Walang ingay. Ang ingay maglaro nun. Ito. Is it 3 in a row? Nope. Here comes Sartin on the combo. Great save there from Dendon Lazaro. Hervasio, Kainglet way out of position.
Still win for that one. Yan naman ang gusto mo kay Bill eh.
Valdez for Kainglet. Argarin. Sartin. And Sartin will miss. And the point belongs to Ateneo.
I'm sorry, miss there from Sartin. It was really close to the line.
Right.
But the point goes again to Ateneo.
23-12. Ateneo starting to blow this wide open. This is their biggest lead of the game at 11. Hervasio.
It's going to be a long one.
Fault. Wala
Pwede mo
fault.
yung second try.
Oh,
Alam mo, there was a time na tinitignan nila kung pwede sa volleyball yun, yung merong second serve.
Ganon?
Yes! I think about, siguro mga 4 or 5 years ago.
Oh, dati naalala ko, pag dumaplis lang sa net yung serve mo, ano na, violation na. Here's Kainglet, to the antenna, nasira reception.
She kind of mistimed that one. mataas yung pagkakaset ng bola. It was really off to the side. But, you know, diba, that's how you can tell them a good player. Yung hindi
Right.
namimili ng set.
Well, you can also tell a good player she has the ability to adjust to her left hand also when the set goes way beyond her. And bad reception there from Lazaro. So this is 3 unanswered points now for Perpetual. Ronery De La Cruz wants to continue punishing the receiving woes of Ateneo.
Oh,
Yes, again! Boy, that is 4 points now for Perpetual. 2 of them on service aces. Time out for Ateneo.
Tapat lang.
Hindi, dalawa na lang tayo. Receiver mo nang maganda.
Tip.
Bye.
Hard ball. First ball muna tayo.
Kulang.
Patay tayo. Wala. Team lang.
(23-16) right now. Ateneo just needs 1 good reception. They could probably put it away, but Ronery De La Cruz is giving them such a hard time with her service. 4 unanswered now. Can it be 5 in a row? Lazaro overcooks it again, and another point, this time from Catherine Bulatao.
And it's actually the worst play on the worst scenario on that play was that ball. Kasi mataas naman yung pagkakabalik ng Perpetual, and yet there was no one from Ateneo to take that one. Di bali na yung overset ay over-receiving.
Panggaan pa si Lazaro at saka si Valdez. But luckily, Phil Kainglet, looks like Lazaro might have been hurt there. In that collision, it's a good thing she can go to the bench right now as Ariel Patnongon. Panggaan sila ni Eliza Valdez that time. So set point for the Lady Eagles on the serve of Gretchen Ho. De La Cruz on the adjustment. Sartin with the free ball. Chance now for Ateneo to put this one away. Quick for Phil Kainglet. And the same way Phil Kainglet ended the first set. It was another power hit there set up by Jem Ferrer. And Ateneo finally comes away with set number 2 as we take a look at our shaky shake and play right here. It came from this trouble-free ball from Sartin. At sabi ni Phil Kainglet, lipat na tayo sa kabila. Set number 3 when we return. Perfect.